Welcome to the video lecture of Systems Approach in Civil Engineering. In this today's video lecture, we'll be seeing the topic game theory. The contents of this video are definitions of game theory, terminologies used in game theory, and numericals on game theory for pure strategy. So we studied model with internal interest like linear programming problem, transportation problem, assignment problem, etc. But in practical life, it is required to take decisions in competing situations. There are two or more opposite parties with conflicting interest, and the outcome is controlled by the direction of all the parties concerned. So what is a game? How many persons are involved in it? Is any rule needed? What is the outcome of this? So game is an activity between two or more persons according to a set of rules, at the end of which each person receives some benefits or satisfaction or suffers loss. So now what is game theory? So game theory is a theory of conflict. It is a mathematical theory which deals with competitive situations. So a competitive situation is also called a game. So the number of competitors in a game theory are called players. The players act rationally and intelligently. Each player has available to him a finite number of choices or possible course of action, which are known as strategies. The players select their respective course of action simultaneously. The players make individual decisions without direct communication. The payoff is fixed and determined in advance. So the terminologies used in game theory. So how many number of players are there? So if a game involves only two players, that is competitors, then it is called as two-person game. However, if the number of players is more, the game is referred to as n-person game. Next, what is the meaning of strategy? The strategy for a player is the list of all possible actions or moves or courses of actions that he will take for every outcome or payoff that might arise. It is assumed that the rules governing the choices are known in advance to the players. What is the meaning of pure strategy? Pure strategy is a decision where the players always choose or select a particular course of action every time. Mixed strategy. The players play different strategy each at certain time. The players decide in advance to use all or some of his available course of action in some fixed proportion or some fixed probability. So this type of strategy is known as mixed strategy. Payoffs. So payoffs are the consequences for each player for every possible profile of strategy choices for all players. So zero sum or constant sum game. One player's winnings are the other's losses. So the net gain is zero for across all the players. So this is known as zero sum game. Optimal strategy. The particular strategy by which a player optimizes his gains or losses without knowing the competitor's strategies is known as optimal strategy. Now how to make the decision? So decision making can be under uncertainty, can be under risk, and can be under certainty. But now we will be discussing regarding under uncertainty. Whenever we are taking the decision under uncertainty, there can be two probabilities, that it is non-competitive situation and it is competitive situation. Whenever there is decision making under uncertainty and under competitive situation, then it is termed as game theory. So whenever we are having a single strategy, that is pure strategy, then a saddle point exists. Whenever we are having mixed strategy, then it is termed as mixed strategy. Then whenever we are having a 2x2 game, then it is solved by arithmetic method. Whenever we are having 2 by n or 2 by m strategies game, it is solved by graphical method. Whenever we are having n by n, that is 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 strategies, then the linear programming method is being used. Now today we will be studying the pure strategy game. Now pure strategy game is also known as minimax and maximin principle. So what is maximin principle? Maximize the player's minimum gains. That means select the strategy that gives the maximum gains among the row minimum value. Minimax principle, the minimizing the player's maximum gains. That means select the strategy that gives the minimum loss among the column maximum values. Saddle point, if the maximin value equals to the minimax value, the game is said to have the saddle point, and the corresponding strategies are called as optimal strategies. The value of game, this is expected payoff at the end of the game when each player uses his optimal strategy. A game is said to be a fair game if the lower maximin and the upper minimax value of the game are equal and both equals 0. A game is said to be a strictly determinable game if the lower, that is maximin, and the upper minimax value of the game are equal and both equal the value of game. Now steps to solve the pure strategy game. At the right of each row, write down the row minimum and underline the largest of them. This next step is, at the bottom of each column, write down the column maximum and underline the smallest of them. If these two elements are equal, the corresponding cell is a saddle point and the value is the value of the game. Now let us solve a numerical for this. A company management and labor union are negotiating a new 3-year settlement. So what are the options for both of them? So strategy 1 is the hard and aggressive bargaining. Second strategy is reasoning and logical approach. The third strategy is legalistic strategy, and finally the conciliatory approach. So these 4 strategies are available to both the company management and the labor union both. So these are being given to us, that is first strategy, second strategy, third strategy and fourth strategy. Similarly for union also they are having that same strategies, strategy 1, strategy 2, strategy 3 and strategy 4. Suppose strategy 1 is being used by both company management and labor union, then what will be the result? That it will be a 2% result, or 2% hike, or 2% profit. So strategy 1 is hard and aggressive bargaining. Similarly these are the payoffs being given for the every strategy. Now what we will be doing, first we will be doing the maximin, that is from this row 1, which is the minimum value. For this row 1, the amongst 2, 0, 0 and 50, the minimum is 2. Similarly for second row, amongst 40, 20, 10 and 20, which is the minimum value, 10 is the minimum value. Similarly for the third row, amongst minus 40, minus 30, 0 and minus 40, which is the minimum value, minus 40 is the minimum value. Similarly for the fourth row, 50, 10, minus 50 and minus 20, 50 minus 50 is the minimum value. Similarly now for column, now we need to see the maximum value for the columns. Now the maximum value for column 1 will be amongst 240, minus 40 and 50. So 50 will be the maximum value from this column 1. Similarly for this column 2, the maximum value will be 20 from 0, 20, minus 30 and 10. Similarly the maximum value for column 3, it will be amongst 0, 10, 0 and minus 50, so it will be 10. So similarly for column 4, 50, 20, minus 30 and minus 20, so 50 will be the maximum value. Now amongst the row and amongst this column, we have to see which is the maximum value for this. So from 2, 10, minus 40 and minus 50, the 10 value is the maximum value amongst this minimum, so it is known as maximin. Similarly from this maximum values 50, 20, 10 and 10, which is the minimum value, that is 10 value, it is known as minimax. If this maximin is equal to minimax, then it is known as saddle point. So we are having in this case that 10 equal to 10, that is maximin is equal to minimax, therefore we are having a saddle point. So here we are getting the solution is. So what is the solution? So value of game is equal to 10. So value of game we are getting from this values, maximin value and minimax value. Since it is 10, the value of game is 10. Similarly, what is the union's strategy for this value? The union's strategy is represented by a column. So the union's strategy for this minimax value is the third strategy, which is legalistic strategy. So union's strategy is the, company's strategy is the legalistic strategy. Now what is the union's strategy? The union's strategy is represented by the columns. So the value is 10 for this second strategy is being represented. So second strategy is reasoning and logical approach. So thank you very much.